In this video, I'll show you how to install Warzone in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So simply launch the game and access the Call of Duty homepage. And then from here, all you have to do is press the R1 or the L1 button and go to the All Games section and then find Warzone or Call of Duty Warzone. And then all you have to do is select it. And then you should see this information. After confirming the install, the game will start installing, and that is the amount of size that you need to install this particular game. So to install Call of Duty Warzone, simply select Install Game, and that will install Call of Duty Warzone. So it will take you to this page. So all you have to do is select Download, and then give it a few seconds. And there you go. You'll see an item at the top right corner saying 3 items have been added. So you can select Go to Downloads, and then select it, and now you can see Call of Duty Warzone has been added to the downloads. So that's basically it on how to download Call of Duty Warzone in Black Ops 7. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.